Kia Sorento CRDi GT-Line S 2018 review. Kia's 7-seat SUV has had a midlife facelift and is loaded with kit. Is that enough for this range-topping version to match premium rivals such as the Land Rover Discovery Sport? What is it? Kia's new top-spec Sorento costs in excess of £42,000, some £42,610 to be exact. The previous range topper before this recent facelift, the X4, did, too. Passed me by that. I must admit, the new Stinger has not been the first £40,000 Kia. It's quite a story that the vast upturn in quality of Kia's cars over the past decade and a bit has now reached the point where people will part with more than 40 grand for one. And people really do. Almost a quarter of the roughly 3,300 Sorentos or so sold each year have been the top-spec model, with dealers reporting customers even shopping in the likes of Audi Q5s, BMW X5s and even Mercedes-Benz E-Classes to get one. And now the Sorento has had a minor nip and tuck, just shy of 3 years into its life, Kia being known for its short 5-year product cycles. The X4 trim is no more, replaced with a new GT-Line S trim, with a GT-Line trim offered lower down the range. It's more of the same really, think loads of kit, and then a bit more on top for only a few quid more, but made sportier looking, Kia being all about GTs and the like now, as the sporty side of the Hyundai Kia group. You can only get one engine no matter what Sorento trim you go for, a 2.2-liter diesel with 197 bhp and 325 pounds-foot. It's the same engine as before, but it's hooked up to a new 8-speed automatic gearbox, driving all 2 wheels in a chassis that's unchanged. What's it like? The Sorento feels built to last. With standard all-wheel drive and 7 seats, this is a car built on a proper SUV architecture, not a crossover spun off a big family hatchback's underpinnings. As such, it feels solid and robust, built for towing things, filling with people big and small, and whatever they want to bring with them. The drivetrain is good but not outstanding, making for a car best enjoyed as leisure if you want to avoid its gruff diesel tones filling the cabin under a more heavy application of the right foot. That's not to say it's a slouch, quite the opposite, in fact, as its 0 to 60 miles per hour time is commendable for a car of its size and weight. What's missing is that final level of refinement. When accessing any of the performance, you are made aware of the fact you are in a large, diesel SUV. The pre-facelift Sorento and its old 7-speed Auto was noted for its briskness off the line. The new box takes that split second longer to engage, making you think twice about exploiting the gap you'd know you'd make every time before. That final level of polish is missing on the dynamic front, too. It wallows its way over undulations in the road, and occasionally crashes its way across rougher surfaces, particularly at lower speeds. The handling is predictable, as is the steering. The car will never say boo to you, nor will it ever encourage you to forget the fact you might be carrying 6 others and enjoy yourself. It's too sensible for that. Should I buy one? Perhaps it's harsh to criticize the Sorento for Kia not yet having taken that significant final step of adding the polish and sophistication offered by rivals, but then Kia has made the Sorento a £40,000 car. It can though be had for £28,995 in its most basic form, and it raises at least an eyebrow and a half with it. What Kia has done is made a proper 7-seat, all-wheel drive SUV at a price with every bell and whistle already included. That's already proven tempting to many who will revel in owning it, if not driving it. The sweet spot, then, lies lower down the range at closer to £30,000 than £40,000, where you get the same car if not quite all the top-spec technology, a place from which Kia's giant killing act still makes its latest compelling case. Kia Sorento 2.2 CRDi GT-Line S Auto AWD. Where Warwickshire on sale now, price £42,610, engine for sale, 2199cc, turbo, diesel, power 197 bhp at 3,800 revolutions per minute toward 325 pounds-foot at 1750 to 2,750 revolutions per minute, gearbox 8-speed automatic, curb weight 1,953 kilograms, top speed 127 miles per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour 9.1 seconds, fuel economy 43.5 miles per gallon, CO2, tax band 170 grams/km, 36% rivals Land Rover Discovery Sport, Nissan X-Trail.
Yeah.